Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of various dairy industries. From milk to cheese, yogurt to butter, dairy products are a staple in many people's diets around the world. Join us as we explore the processes, innovations, and trends within these industries. Let's start by taking a trip back in time to the origins of dairy industries. Did you know that dairy farming dates back thousands of years, with evidence of milk consumption found in ancient civilizations such as the Indus Valley and Mesopotamia? The industrialization of dairy production began in the 19th century with the invention of pasteurization and the introduction of refrigeration. This paved the way for the mass production of dairy products and the growth of global dairy markets. Milk is one of the most widely consumed dairy products, and its production involves a complex process that begins on dairy farms. Dairy cows are milked multiple times a day, and the milk is stored in refrigerated tanks before being transported to processing plants. At the processing plant, the milk undergoes pasteurization to kill harmful bacteria, homogenization to prevent cream separation, and fortification with vitamins and minerals. The end result is the fresh, nutritious milk that we enjoy on a daily basis. Cheese is another popular dairy product that comes in countless varieties, each with its own unique flavor and texture. The cheese-making process starts with curdling milk using rennet or lactic acid bacteria, which separates the curds from the whey. The curds are then pressed into molds, aged for a period of time, and sometimes washed or brined to develop their characteristic flavor profile. From creamy brie to tangy cheddar, there is a cheese for every palate. Yogurt has gained popularity in recent years for its probiotic benefits and creamy texture. The production of yogurt begins with heating milk to kill off any bacteria, then adding live cultures such as Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. The mixture is incubated at a specific temperature for several hours to allow the bacteria to ferment the milk and create yogurt. Fruit, sweeteners, or flavorings can be added to create different varieties of yogurt, from plain to fruit on the bottom. Butter is a versatile dairy product that is used in cooking, baking, and as a spread. The butter-making process starts with churning cream until the fat globules coalesce and separate from the buttermilk. The butter is then washed, kneaded, and sometimes salted to enhance its flavor and texture. European-style butter with its higher fat content has gained popularity in recent years for its rich, creamy taste. Whether slathered on toast or whipped into cookies, butter adds richness and flavor to countless dishes. In recent years, dairy industries have seen a wave of innovation and technological advancements. From robotic milking systems that optimize cow health and milk quality, to advanced processing techniques that improve the shelf life and nutritional content of dairy products, the dairy industry is constantly evolving. Plant-based alternatives to traditional dairy products have also gained traction, with almond, soy, and oat milk becoming popular choices for consumers seeking dairy-free options. As consumer preferences shift towards sustainability and ethical sourcing, dairy industries are adapting to meet these demands with organic, pasture-raised, and fair-trade products. One of the emerging trends in dairy industries is the focus on transparency and traceability in the supply chain. Consumers are increasingly interested in knowing where their food comes from and how it is produced, leading dairy companies to implement rigorous quality control measures and certification programs. Another trend is the rise of artisanal and small-scale dairy producers who prioritize traditional methods, local ingredients, and unique flavor profiles. These boutique dairy products offer a distinct alternative to mass-produced options and appeal to consumers looking for high-quality, artisanal goods. In conclusion, dairy industries play a vital role in our food system, providing us with a wide range of nutritious and delicious products. From milk to cheese, yogurt to butter, the processes and innovations within these industries continue to evolve and adapt to meet the changing needs of consumers. Whether you prefer traditional dairy products or plant-based alternatives, there is something for everyone in the diverse world of dairy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through various dairy industries, and we look forward to bringing you more captivating content in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, happy exploring.